Welcome to this comprehensive guide on AI chatbots for business. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about how artificial intelligence chatbots are transforming the way companies interact with customers and streamline their operations. In today's fast-paced business environment, customer expectations have never been higher. Companies must respond to inquiries instantly, provide personalized support across multiple channels, and maintain consistent service quality around the clock. This is exactly where AI chatbots come in. So, what exactly is an AI chatbot? An AI chatbot is a software application that uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing to simulate human conversation. Unlike traditional chatbots that follow predetermined scripts, modern AI chatbots can understand complex customer queries, generate contextually relevant responses, and continuously learn from every interaction. The technology behind these systems is fascinating. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables chatbots to understand human language in all its complexity, including slang and context-dependent meanings. Machine learning algorithms help the chatbot improve its responses over time, and large language models generate human-quality responses across diverse topics. Now let's talk about the real business benefits. First, AI chatbots provide 24/7 customer support. They never sleep, never take breaks, and provide instant responses at any time, across all time zones. Companies report a 40 to 50% reduction in customer support costs by deploying chatbots that handle routine inquiries. Second, they dramatically increase operational efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, AI chatbots free up your team to focus on high-value activities. A telecommunications company we studied implemented an AI chatbot that now resolves 65% of issues without human intervention, reducing support ticket volume by 45%. Third, they improve the customer experience significantly. Modern customers expect instant, personalized service. AI chatbots deliver exactly that: instant responses, personalized recommendations based on customer history, and consistent service quality every single time. Fourth, the financial benefits are substantial. Businesses implementing AI chatbots see an average return on investment of 300% within the first year. That's not just cost savings. Chatbots can also recommend products, upsell, and cross-sell around the clock. Let's look at some real-world applications. In e-commerce and retail, chatbots help customers find products, answer questions, process returns, and provide personalized recommendations. One online fashion retailer increased average order value by 18% through intelligent product recommendations. In banking and financial services, chatbots handle account inquiries, transaction history, loan applications, and fraud alerts. Major banks report that AI chatbots handle 80% of routine customer inquiries. In healthcare, chatbots schedule appointments, collect patient history, provide symptom assessment, and deliver medication reminders. Healthcare organizations report 40% fewer missed appointments. Now, how do you actually implement an AI chatbot? Start by defining your objectives clearly. What customer problems will the chatbot solve? What metrics will indicate success? Then choose the right platform, whether that's a pre-built solution like Intercom or Drift, an AI-powered platform like IBM Watson or Google Dialogflow, or a custom development approach. Design your conversation flows carefully. Map out the most common customer inquiries, how the chatbot should handle complex requests, and when conversations should escalate to human agents. Train your chatbot with historical customer service conversations, product information, company policies, and common questions and answers. Then test thoroughly before launching, and continuously monitor and improve based on real-world performance data. When measuring success, track key metrics like customer satisfaction scores, resolution rates, response time, conversation completion rates, and cost per interaction. Looking ahead, the future of AI chatbots is incredibly exciting. We'll see multimodal interactions combining text, voice, video, and images. Chatbots will develop emotional intelligence to recognize customer emotions and respond empathetically. They'll engage proactively rather than waiting for customers to initiate contact. The conclusion is clear. AI chatbots for business have evolved from novelty features to essential business tools. They provide measurable benefits in customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and cost reduction. Whether you're in retail, finance, healthcare, or any other industry, implementing an AI chatbot can transform how you serve customers and operate your business. The future belongs to businesses that embrace AI-powered customer service. By implementing AI chatbots today, you're positioning your organization for success in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Thank you for watching this guide on AI chatbots for business.
If you found this valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on artificial intelligence and business technology. See you in the next video.